Hello, welcome to my kitchen, Lisa's kitchen. Today we are cooking a whole variety of different Italian classics. And one of my favorite is clam sauce. So I've been chopping up my garlic, my parsley, fresh garlic, fresh parsley, always. And I have my fresh clams, which I shucked before we started taping. So I have that all prepared. But first you begin by getting your oil nice and hot. And of course it has to be olive oil. I don't use anything else but olive oil. And I like to cut up my garlic nice and fine, fresh garlic, fresh parsley. And you just start on a nice medium flame. You start browning your garlic, oil, and fresh parsley. Next thing I like to do is add a little tiny pinch of red pepper. I just use the red pepper flakes, not too much because we don't want it too hot. And you just mix that all in. Oh, that smells so good, delicious. And you make sure you don't want to burn your garlic, so you have to kind of like watch it in the olive oil because it tends to cook up fast. Of course, the finer the chop, the more translucent it is, and it gets a little more, cooks a little quicker than you would want. So you have to kind of watch it. So you just fry that up. And I always notice that the red pepper flakes actually increase the speed of the cooking. So you have to really watch your garlic. It's already starting to brown up. Ah, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell that. So good. Okay, now that that's nice and brown, I'm going to get my clams, which I chopped up beforehand. And you always save your clam juice too. And you add that to your delicious garlic and oil and fresh parsley, red pepper, and you kind of make it just simmer down, watching it and stirring it. Increase our flame a little bit. Okay. This is one of my favorite things to make. My family loves it, and I hope your family loves spaghetti and clam sauce because it's something that's delicious. And my mom always made it for me growing up, and I loved it. So now my children and my husband love it. Bon appetit. We'll come back when this is just about done. Oh, this smells so delicious. This clam sauce is coming so outrageous. I could say excelente. Excelente. And if you could smell this, it smells so good that it's outrageous. When we pour that on top of our spaghetti, what a meal this will make. Okay, so we're going to put that over to the side because it's just about done. And now, tonight we're making angel. I love angel hair, it's nice and light. So we're going to open up our box of Barilla. I love Barilla. I told you anything imported from Italy I love, and Barilla is Italy's most famous brand. I love Barilla, I love Colavita, I love Secco, Franzoni. It's all good. Okay, so we have about 2 pounds of pasta. And I'm just going to get that down nice. And angel hair tends to cook up very quickly. Give it about 7-8 minutes and it's done. You put that in your pot of boiling water. You add a little bit of olive oil so that it doesn't stick. I always add a pinch of olive oil. That's the trick so that your pasta doesn't stick. And it should be done in about 7 minutes. Barilla. now we're draining our pasta, our angel hair, into the sculabasta, we call it, or colander. Okay, that's nice and drained out. And there's our angel hair. Beautiful pasta. So let that drain a few minutes and we'll get it all together for you. Pasta's all ready. We're going to put it into our delicious clam sauce. And we're going to make sure that that gets nicely mixed together. Okay. Got a lot of clam sauce here. Always go from the bottom up. This smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Between the fresh parsley, the garlic, the oil, nice red pepper. So delicious. I hope you enjoy your traditional Italian meals with your family. I love to cook for my family, and I love for them to enjoy it. So I hope you get a chance to try our delicious clam sauce. And you can make this red or white. Today we're just doing a white one with our olive oil, but if you wanted to do red sauce, you just make your red sauce, garlic oil, fresh parsley, and you throw in your clams, and it comes delicious too. Anyway, it's all good. So, bon appetit from Lisa's Kitchen. May God bless each and every one of you at this wonderful Christmas season, and bon appetito.